Good evening, guys. How's everyone doing? Hopefully, you all are enjoying this crypto breakout. It's absolutely burning in the UK in terms of weather, but this crypto breakout is just making it slightly bearable. If you watched our previous live stream, you already know our plan. We were bullish as long as we were above 19.8k. Then we broke out. This is a short-term frame trade. I did post a long as well on Twitter, so we'll review all of that. And more importantly, altcoins are pumping. There's so many altcoins that are pumping. I'll share with you some live trades, and yeah, let's just make some money, guys. And if Bitcoin keep breaking out, there's so many people that are short that we could get a short squeeze as well, which could take Bitcoin a lot higher. I mean, those were my targets, 22 and 24k, which we are hitting. But if Bitcoin the way is breaking out, and if we get a short squeeze, we could even come up to these levels, which are 28k, which would be amazing to see. So give me a couple of minutes to post the link that I'm live. I don't usually go live. I just with the way this market's breaking out, I just wanted to do a quick impromptu live stream. Our usual live stream is every Sunday. I'll just bring that on. So we do a live stream every Sunday, crypto for degens. We'll carry on doing this, but just because the Bitcoin's breaking out and I was sharing with you lots of short signals and bearish setups, I wanted to come on and give you some buy setups, some live trades. So hit that like button as well. We got to 38 likes. Let's see if we can push to 50 likes with Bitcoin breaking out. So I'll give you guys a couple of minutes to join, and yeah, we'll get started. Is anyone long Bitcoin? Has anyone bought Bitcoin? People that are watching? Hi, Crypto Life. How's it going? Let me just post that I'm live. Hi, Luca. How's it going? Did you guys get a notification that I'm live? Have you bought any coins, Luca? Just post it on our Telegram groups that I'm live, and then we'll carry on. Montefred, thank you, mate. Are you buying any coins? So some of the longs, I mean, there's so many longs to share with you guys, but if you watch the last live stream, Rune I shared, Rune has pumped. SNX hasn't moved. I'm still long SNX. Rune is just breaking out. SNX is another coin that I shared. This hasn't. Oh, it's going to my target as well, which is looking great. So this was the last live stream trade that we took. Matic was beautiful. Luca, do you remember someone wanted to short Matic? Do you guys remember? I mean, I'm not even gonna go at him, by the way. I'm just trying to share with you sort of the way I read the market. There was a guy at last live stream. He was shorting. Yeah, he probably got liquidated. Hola, ¿cómo estás? I'm practicing my Spanish. I'm going to Marbella next week. My first holiday since so this Sunday is going to be the last. So this Sunday I'm doing crypto degens, and I'm going to Marbella on Monday. So I won't be doing live stream. Yeah, Luca. Hopefully he's learned from it, because he was shorting, and I said, look, long and hard. 100x longs. There we go, mate. Let's go. Let's go. One coin that I've bought now, I'll share that with you. I posted that, and everything that I shared, it's all, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. One coin I want you guys to pump for me is one. So I've bought some one. posted in the Rockstar Trading Group. Again, like on YouTube, I do this 1 or 2 YouTubes a week. Rockstar Trading Group, I posted this. You can see another trade, QNT. We're long QNT. Has anyone bought QNT? QNT is pumping. Yeah, that's why I'm practicing my... Yes, mate. Everyone's long and hard today. Etusa muy bien, gracias. Yeah, I don't know how to say I'm well. I understood what you said. Long route, yes. Root army. I know how to say you're beautiful. Muy guapa to a girl. That's all I need to know. So thank you, Root Army. Thank you for hitting target. So I posted the root setup. So I posted exactly when I bought it, a live trade setup, guys. Do hit that like button. Let's see if we can get to 50 likes today. We're already at 10 likes, so let's see if we can push to 50 likes today. So did you buy this setup for me, Brian? Do you follow me on Twitter? There's a guy called Alpha Seeker. He loves... I need to get some clout. Let me tweet this. Let me retweet this. Twitter is just a meme. I literally just wind people up on Twitter. I love like just joking on Twitter. Like YouTube live streams, you come on, you'll probably see me share with you exactly what I'm doing. My entries like root, if it started breaking below, I would have closed. But yeah, one coin that I have bought now is one, so I'm liking one. You got in at 188. I bought, I'll tell you when I bought. So I shared my first root trade at 23245. I've shared my first root trade. So I started buying just above $2, and yeah, I sold half on this spike, and I've bought some more. I bought some more. Is it this spike? I bought some more, and it's hitting target. I mean, you guys could buy some now even. Can we break out root on the live stream? There's so many coins that are just breaking out. It's just really fun. We're making money. Hi Thugger, how's it going? You opened a theta long, so a few people long theta. I'm not. So there's a guy in my group, Yusuf. Yusuf's long theta. Hey, it's hit target. So this is not my trade. There's a guy called Yusuf in the group. He shared me this trade. He's an absolute legendary trader. Yusuf shared me this trade, and yeah, hit target. So there's better coins than theta. No worries, Brian. Yeah, do like, share, tweet, guys. Goal today is 50 likes. So that's my level. Who asked it before? What you think about, can you show a level? So and it's breaking out, so I think short time frame, I'm not taking this trade. Short time frame, this would be like my trade idea. But I think, you know, I like buying things that I'm already in. So coins that I like are Rune. So I'm in Rune. You could buy more Rune. You know, I've been buying Rune today as well. And usually what first things I say is like take profit. Rune, I'm not even taking profit. SNX trade is moving now. Where's Rune? I can't find Rune. Yeah, I'm not taking profit in Rune. I'm just trying to let it run. This was my entry when it was breaking out. So I bought more Rune today. So Rune and one or two of my coins that I've bought. Right, so let's get started then. We'll start off with Bitcoin, and then we'll carry on with everything else. And I'm not doing much tonight, so we could go on a bit longer as well if you guys are enjoying the live stream. So let's get it out of the way. Before I get started, can you guys hear me well? Just a thumbs up that you can hear me well and you can see the screen well before I start talking for an hour or rambling. Brigadier Edge is here as well. Hex is breaking out, isn't it? I posted a Hex buy setup as well. Hex I'm long since then. Hex is breaking out. I expect Hex to come into here. Brigadier Edge is a Hex fan. Right. So before I get started, again, not financial advice. Do your old due diligence. All that fun stuff. Don't go all in. I'm sharing live trades and all this good stuff, but please risk manage. Don't go 100x leverage with no stop loss. Don't put in all your money. These live streams are sponsored by Delta Exchange. You can get $500 bonus if you use my link. I'll leave the comments below. You can check it out. But again, please don't put all your money in. Don't start leveraging. I always start the live stream with that. And if you enjoy this type of content, do hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything. If you want to support us, you can check out my Rockstar trading group. You can sign up with my link to help me out. But only thing I ask from you guys is just hit that like button. It really helps us out. So with all that being said, let's get started. So Bitcoin is broken out. When Bitcoin was chopping here, I said I wanted Bitcoin above 19.8k. As long as we're 19.8k, I am spot long Bitcoin. I am personally more long ETH. If you have been watching this live stream, you should already know. I have bought quite a bit of ETH here. Let it load up. And I got stopped out in that short as well. I remember I took some short in ETH, and I'll go here as well. That was my short in ETH. Once it started breaking back above, I'm exit. So now what is happening with Bitcoin? What we want to see with Bitcoin now is hold above 22, 23k. As long as it can hold above 23k, I'm long. If you've bought any Bitcoin, so two trades I shared with you guys was spot long from 19.8k, and then once we got back above 20.6k, that's when you could start longing. So we have long some, again, that's the root trade I've live traded root. You guys can check it out. But where's the Bitcoin trade? I posted it on Twitter as well. I bought some Bitcoin. I can't find it, but again, you guys can watch it. So once Bitcoin started breaking above 20.6k, I bought some Bitcoin, and I'm long trading wise as well. First target was 22k. This spike, I exited my first target, and it's coming to my next target. It's not coming. Next target is 24k, which is coming towards. So that's the short time frame. So if you have been trading, amazing. But if you haven't bought Bitcoin, I would say you could look to buy some spot Bitcoin. And some of the reasoning why I think that is, if you look at SPX bouncing, looks like SPX wants to break out. And if SPX has a leg higher, I'd expect Bitcoin to pump. Also, Dixie is selling off. Dixie is at support. If it loses this support, I think we get a few days or at least potentially a couple of weeks of Bitcoin pump. If you look at Bitcoin selling off, this is due to this huge up move in Dixie. Dollar index hasn't seen this process since 2002. I didn't even know what trading was back then. I wasn't trading back then. Euro to $1 was almost $1. How crazy is that? We saw 120, 130, 150 10 years ago, and now it's less. It's $1 equals one euro, which is absolutely crazy. There's loads of crazy stuff going on. So but now we could be getting a short rally. I'm not saying the bottom is in. Dixie needs to break down completely. So Dixie needs to break down below these levels. Then maybe Bitcoin bottom is in. For now, I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm trading altcoins as long as the trend is up. And the way we trade, always take profit. Don't, just hold something Moon. Even, Rune, I've taken half off in Rune. QNT just hit target earlier. QNT hit target. I've taken half off. I'm still long QNT. All these trades you can watch this Sunday live stream. I'll share a few setups on this. SNX hasn't broken out yet, and I'm long one. So if anyone looking to buy a coin, pump Bitcoin. I can't pump Bitcoin. Maybe I can pump these small cap coins. SNX, I shared a long on SNX. It hasn't hit target yet. That was from last live stream, and recently I've bought one. The reason why I bought one is because if Matic pumps, I see one doing well. So people that are waiting for live trades, buy that is my setup. Stop below here. I'm targeting, that's my first target, but I think it comes into here 30 cent. This is where I'll probably take 90% of my trade off. That's my big target I'm targeting. Oh, come on. So I'll just finish off with Bitcoin, then we'll carry on talking about all these altcoins. And as you guys know, we call it crypto for degens. So we are going to be degening into lots of coins. If anyone's looking for a live trade, you guys can take it. What do you guys think about one? Do you think one is a good trade or bad trade? I'd say you can enter one. I like one. One other coin that you could look to buy is PYR. So I'm just looking for like a green candle here, then maybe we can buy this. Or should we degen like some long? Should we take a degen long here? Let's degen long this. I think PYR pumps. This would be my main setup. Same as all the coins. Remember Matic, I bought this pullback. You're selling Matic to buy one. It's up to you what you want to do. I think, yeah, not a bad idea to do that. Matic, this is huge resistance, $1. You don't want to be holding. I've shared lots of long signals on Matic. Like the best one, I mean, let me see if I can find this. I'm not going to be able to find it, am I? I mean, people that have watched it, they probably know. Oh, I think I have found it. There we go. You guys can see that long. Did any of you took it? Good morning, UPV. Has anyone took that Matic long from last live stream? Beautiful trade. It was here. Anyone took that trade? Hey. Well done, mate. Really well done. And don't give myself credit. I think you took the trade. So thank yourself. But I wouldn't buy Matic now. It's really close to $1. And it's pumping due to Disney news. So let's finish off Bitcoin, what I was talking about. So really nice breakout. What we want to see is this breakout hold. If we get a daily close above that red level, amazing. Increases the likelihood we move to 25k. When it comes to 25k, let me open up Binance. TRX, I mean, I got stopped out on my short on TRX, and I'm not just sharing with you winners. I think that's why most people, like me or respect me, because I share my losers as well. TRX, I was short, and I had to close it. There is an X there, as people can remember. I had to close it when it pumped. So I don't know what's happening with TRX. I think it still looks okay. Again, fundamentally, I don't like it long term, but TRX always pumps. I mean, when it's a bull market, any coin pumps, doesn't it? Any coin pumps. So let me update that Bitcoin chart on there. So that prediction came right, and again, I'm going to be wrong on lots of predictions. Let me update that. So 1907 today. Bitcoin trying to break 23k. Daily/weekly closes above here will likely target 25k. And I will take some profit around there. So that's sort of my update now. It's really important to get daily, weekly closes above, and that's where I will be targeting. How do you... Bit annoying, isn't it? There you go. And you guys can use that all the time. Yeah, it is breaking out. That's what I'm saying. And I want this to be a breakout. I don't want it to be a fake out. I mean, even I'm saying 23, even like a close above 22, I'll be happy. I just don't want this to be a fake out. And looking at SPX, I think if you gun to my head and don't trade my predictions, trade my trade setups, you know, I make more money following my strategy than just buying because of my feeling or price predictions. Again, this is a bit of prediction which I don't like to give. I make money trading my setup. So I shared with you that Matic setup from last time. I reviewed that SNX rune. I think, you know, I talk about win rates. Sometimes my win rate in this chop, maybe 40, 50, 60% win rate. Past few days, almost 100% win rate. I mean, just look at all the reviews, all the coins that I've shared, I've posted from before with entries, exits, all of them. Beautiful. So this is when you're trying to make money. So that's sort of my thoughts for Bitcoin, guys. And I've also shared with you my overall what I think. My prediction wise, in a way, my prediction hasn't come true. So I said I thought Bitcoin was going to chop around here, and I didn't think Bitcoin was going to break out this week. And there's some big news next week, and that is what I'm scared about. So one scenario, and again, I'm repeating myself, scenarios don't make me money, but one of the scenarios I'm looking at is if Bitcoin comes into 25k maybe by next week, and we've got that big FOMC, and then there's like 100 basis point interest rate, this could start dumping. So I don't know if that's going to happen. I thought it was going to chop, and then during that news we'll have a breakout, but looks like we've had a breakout, and let's try and trade it. If Bitcoin starts dumping tomorrow and starts breaking 22, 23k, I'll take a loser. But for now, let's keep pumping. So it's up to you guys now. Which altcoins do you want me to look at then? And what was it? Was it Root we looked at, or PYR? So someone said they want a degen. So PYR is a degen coin I shared. Need a green candle in PYR. Mana, yeah, I like Mana. So I wanted to buy some gaming coins. So 2 gaming coins I've picked is ENJ. So I've missed my entry on ENJ. So this spike didn't come to my entry. I had an order at 56, I think I had my order. Shiba's looking good. Yeah, we'll look at all your coins, guys. We'll look at all your coins. So I wanted to buy gaming coins, and like I said, I'll share. Again, Thugger knows about trading, and yeah, I said as long as if Bitcoin keeps pumping, I wanna look to have some exposure on gaming coins. So ENJ and PYR is I picked. Mana is a really good one as well. So let me go back to Mana. I like when I think in the same Thugger. Yeah, this is looking good. High time frame, I'm not too sure. It's still within that range. Short term, it has broken out. One of my friend has bought Doge and Shiba this morning. He's a big trader. He trades with big size. So where's the hourly? So hourly, we can't break below here. So if you buy some, again, it's the $1 resistance. What I would like is come here. Maybe you can look for a tight risk to reward, and then maybe a breakout play. Are you already long Shiba? Who asked for Shiba? Who asked for Mana? Saga, have you already bought Mana? If you've already bought it, it's fine as long as it holds sort of 90 cent. but I would probably look for one of these two setups to buy more. Okay, VRA, Veracity. I like Veracity, yeah. What has happened here? VRA looks beautiful, mate. I agree. By the way, guys, we've got about 20 people watching. Let's see if we can get to, well, let's say 30 likes. Yeah, VRA looks great. So whoever's asked for this, Firo, what the F is that? I wouldn't hold this, I'd exit. Yeah, I don't like it. Firo, Sheeb. So yeah, my friend, he sent me a message. He's an amazing trader. He's bought Sheeb and Doge this morning. Ah. Is this the breakout? Fedro, what do you mean, Ferdo? I don't know what you mean. Is there a problem with the live stream? Is there a problem with the live stream, guys? Just let me know in the comment section below. I've not heard anything from you guys for a while. Someone's saying that it's just loading. I like it, mate. I'm gonna set an alert. It's laggy. Is it laggy for anyone else? You don't want it to lag, especially when coins are breaking out like this. Oh no. What is it? Why is that? I don't know if it's because of the heat in the UK. It's 40 degrees in the UK. It's okay now. All right, then we'll carry on. I don't know what that was. I'm cool. Thank you, Mito. I appreciate that. But yeah, who asked it? Luca, I like this, mate. That could be an amazing breakout play. Oh no, why is it lagging? What? We've never had that before. Shall I refresh? Let me just change it. Yeah, it's 2000. I can share it with you. Showing is healthy from my end. But views have dropped. It's almost half. But 20 people were watching, but now it's 14. Okay, I'll just carry on, guys. I don't know what. We've never had these issues. I live stream every week on Sunday, so I don't know what's going on. Yeah, well, some people saying it's okay. It might be your guys' internet as well, but I've never had any complaints. Let me have a look at Doge. Maybe we need to buy these coins, guys. Maybe it's time to meme coin trade. Slovenia. I've never been to Slovenia. I don't even know anyone from Slovenia. My girlfriend's half Eastern European. So I'm gonna be going to Prague in September. I'm going to Marbella. Yeah, Dogecoin is a great buy there. Wow, I missed that. I missed that Dogecoin buy. That's where I like to buy, guys. First target, second target. Okay, I think it's fixed it now. Yeah, Dogecoin is a buy. I should have listened to my friend when he bought it. He messaged me this morning around 8-9 o'clock, so he bought it around here. Okay, looks like the stream is fine now. Bohinj town, I don't know what that is. I'm happy to go Slovenia. I'm going to a few Eastern Europe. I'm going to Budapest for Christmas as well. Apparently it's very nice. Right, so that's Dogecoin. Let me carry on with the list. Right, I've lost. Just comment below which coins you want me to review again, because I think with that lagging, I've missed a lot of the comments. So comment below which coins you want me to review. Should we have a look at Bohinj town on Google? I think today's more relaxed live stream. I think Sunday one I usually pack. Wow. It is beautiful. That's amazing. I love nature. I went to Snowdonia last year. It was one of the best things I did. At Glasgow, yeah, I'm doing the North Coast 500. I was meant to do it this year, and we just didn't manage to do it. I will be doing the North Coast 500 next year. It's one of the best road trips in the world. I'm doing that next year. Right, I don't think you guys care about. Let's talk about crypto. So AMP. If I miss anything, just ask again. I'll go through everything. AMP is breaking out. The thing is, I know, you know, Shiba. I don't know why. I'd probably buy Shiba more than I'd buy AMP, because I just don't know too much about it. Whoever's asked for AMP, because I know Shiba. I know people that are buying Shiba. I just have more confidence. Like this coin, I don't know if it's going to be pump and dump like that. There might be whales. Like my friend, he trades 6, 7, I mean not 6, 7, but he trades 6 figures. So he's got, you know, and he's buying Shiba, and he probably is not going to dump on me. So, you know, with AMP, there might be some whales that I buy and they dump, but that's the risk of trading altcoins. But no, AMP looks good. AMP breakout above there, I like. Cult DAO. What's Cult DAO? I've not heard of Cult DAO. What is Cult DAO? Brigadier Edge? UP. I loved Glasgow. I loved Edinburgh. Why don't you like Edinburgh? I really had a good time there. It's my girlfriend's, because she loves Harry Potter, and she loved Edinburgh. I enjoyed it as well. The people, the food. I've never been to America. That's my biggest regret. I need to venture out, because I always talk about America, like crypto, stock market. I'm just so clued up. Not clued up. I just follow America so much. And yeah, I've never been. I really want to go. I think maybe next year or the year after, I need to plan a big trip to America. I've got so many crypto friends. My mentor is from America as well. I've never been to LA. So Cult Brigadier Edge messaged me on Twitter. I'm happy to look into it, but for me, I'd want to see a breakout above. Then we could look to buy it. What's the market cap for this? Let me have a look at market cap. This is one of the things you guys should do as well when you're trading. Look for like market caps. Look at the community of it. 310. Okay, very small market cap. Too snobby. Okay. AMP. So I'd want it above this level. DOT. Let's have a look at DOT. And DOT is one of the coins you want to accumulate for the long term. Yeah, DOT's breaking out. Thing is, I look like a genius saying, look at my coins, join my group, I've shared this trade, it's hit target and all this fun stuff. But you know, every coin is pumping. It doesn't, you know, this is what I say, it's not altcoins, because anyone can make money in this type of move. It's just knowing the Bitcoin. You know, that bit that I shared with you, this bit is what makes you money, because any altcoin is pumping. You could buy DOT's breaking out. There's certain ones I picked, and I was a bit upset until Rune started pumping, because I hadn't bought Matic, I hadn't bought the Soul. They were pumping more. But yeah, this is looking good. I think this goes higher. I think this is where it heads next. So look for an entry. If it has a sell-off, buy it. I think 4-hour pullbacks might be our best friend. Once it's already moved up a bit, I think 4-hour pullbacks are our best friend. So somewhere like $7, even $7.50, I'm happy to buy a pullback on this, and I'd be targeting here $8.50, $8 zone. So it's fundamentally AMP good. Because the pattern, I mean, my best trades are when fundamentals and news work together. So chart wise, this looks good. Above that level, that 1 cent level is a really nice level. I think we can see a big spike up. I mean, what is the market cap for this AMP? And the market cap's kind of big, but it doesn't necessarily mean I wouldn't buy it. What's the social media like? Hi Christian, how's it going, mate? You're not too late today. Okay, let me see if I've missed anything. Gala, yeah, Gala is another gaming token. So the gaming tokens I've picked is PYR and ENJ, but you can look at any of these tokens. If one of them pumps, they'll all do well. Come on, PYR. I want to see this being a real breakout in PYR. So yeah, Gala, let me go back to Gala. You know, Gala was one of the coins. I missed this 10x on Gala. I was so upset that I missed this 10x. I had an entry here as well at Gala. You guys might remember. I got stopped out. I bought Gala because I knew someone from the team. What do you mean is a nightmare as a utility? I don't know what you mean by that. But yeah, Gala, I started buying Gala here. I bought loads at this breakout, and it wasn't moving. I was like, why is it not moving? Why is it not moving? And it took off. It literally stopped me out and then did a 10x. This is why sometimes trading is so unlucky. And yeah, look at it, it just moved, and I had an entry there as well. This Gala, I said I'll never trade Gala, because we are going to the moon. Let's go. So yeah, Gala, this spike stopped me out because I had my stop just below here. this spike stopped me out, and then I was like, okay, if it gets back above here, I'll buy. I had my entry there, it pumped, it came like less than 3% near my entry, then it 10x'd, and I just didn't get a chance to buy. And I had a decent 5-figure position on this. Really upsetting. And I've not traded Gala since. She had a couple of buy signals here and stuff, but yeah, I haven't bought it. Anyways, so yeah, I'm not, as you can tell, I'm not the biggest fan of Gala, but trading wise, it's trend changing, trend is up. Follow my trading strategy, which is to look for pullbacks somewhere like this. Yeah, pump it, mate. When people are saying rally is coming, what do you mean rally is coming? I mean, it's already happening. It's not coming, it's happening now. You know, Sol, look at Sol. How much has Sol pumped? It's doubled in price. You know, look at Rune. You know, so I've not made money on Sol. Rune I've made money on. Rune's done almost a 50% from my entry. And I've bought Rune twice here as well. Matic is like done 100%. So rally is happening. Make money now. Don't keep waiting. I mean, most people will miss the bottom. I tweeted about this earlier. Most people that are waiting could miss it. Wherever that is. Okay, so let me carry on going. So yeah, comment below, guys, if you want any altcoins looking. Just comment now. How long have I been speaking for? Yeah, usually I'll be here for another 20 minutes. Let's quickly just review my coins, how they're doing. So I'm long one. Still pumping. I think a push should come up in one now. Yeah, a mini altcoin season. Yeah, I agree with that. A mini altcoin season. Come on, PYR, give it a little push. And PYR is at support, so I'm just hoping that it gives a little pump, even a spike. And one Rune, keep buying Rune. I like Rune even now. Yeah, one signal that I shared with you guys is on Harmony 1. Rune is looking good. I think Rune might rally again. I just can't buy it up there unless on the 5-minute time frame. Maybe we can do some degen trading again. My entries in Rune are here and here. Watch the start of the live stream. I shared all those setups. I think Rune might be breaking out. Okay, so any other altcoins you want me to look at? Let me go back on that list. SDOA, I've not heard of that. I don't know what that means. Sahel, let me know after. FTT, I really want to buy more FTT. Next bull market, FTT is one of the coins I want to accumulate more. You can see these are some of the coins on here I want to buy more. Theta, FTT, Sol, Uniswap, obviously Ethereum. Yeah, this looks like it's trying to break. I don't have a clear level on this, unfortunately. I don't really know where to draw my zones from. Maybe here. Maybe this is the zone. At support, yeah. I mean, I've set an alert on this myself. I might buy this myself. Whoever's asked for FTT, I really like it. This is the exchange token for FTX, so beautiful. Just going back, FTT I've done. Litecoin, yeah, let me do Litecoin and KDA are two next ones. So Litecoin, right? Let me say this. I said this before. I'll make a YouTube video. I've not made a YouTube video for the last few days. I've just been sort of, what you call it, just doing these live streams, because I said I'm not doing YouTube videos until a bull market. But I'm pretty confident that Litecoin at least hits here. and then we'll see if it breaks out. I think Litecoin goes there. And it should not break below here. Yeah, I'll have a look at VeChain as well. So yeah, that would be, I really like Litecoin. And I said if Litecoin comes into like 60, 64, I'll make a YouTube video, because yeah, that would be pretty fun. And trend change above here, I mean, we could start rallying up again. I don't want it to start breaking up now. I said I wanted Litecoin cheaper. Maybe it won't come into my level. This has been one of my best trades in Litecoin. It came in here twice, and I didn't buy it here. I wasn't a Litecoin bull. I started buying Litecoin, I think it was 60 or 80. I started buying Litecoin in that rally. I just got into Bitcoin around this time. But yeah, Litecoin, these buys were life changing. So yeah, let me see. I'll see if I can buy some more Litecoins. I've been shorting Litecoin really from up there. I've been shorting it. I'm bullish bias now. After this breakout, I've been bullish bias. Litecoin is an OG coin. Yeah, I mean, I worked for the Litecoin project, Litecoin Foundation back in the day. So yeah, that's Litecoin. XRP, sorry, I've not done XRP. A few people have asked me. I shared a long setup on XRP. I'm not the biggest fan of XRP, but I shared a long, just buy here with stop below, and then it's breaking out. You could buy some XRP now. I love privacy coins, but again, it's not been pumping as much. I've not made money on XMR. I've made some money, but Zcash is another coin that I like. It's just not made me money. Like I actually held some of these privacy coins as well. I usually only hold Bitcoin and Ethereum, and obviously famously known for holding at Luna, but I do hold some privacy coins. I like privacy coins. There's a meme. Shall I tweet this? 100 Litecoins could be life changing. Let me tweet this. I love like just meme tweeting, guys. Always put some rockets. You just reminded me of that 50. Litecoin is an OG coin. But yeah, I like XRP, and there are some rumors that XRP is winning the case. I haven't followed it. I used to follow the XRP case before, but I haven't been following it. If that is true, then I think XRP could be pumping a lot more. I'll have a look. I don't really talk about my members, but you can join the YouTube members as well if you want. But yeah, I think it's better to just join my trading group if you do want to support us. But yeah, XRP is bullish. KDA, let me have a look. I need to do KDA and VeChain next. KDA is breaking out, yeah. That trade didn't work. Went about 14% my direction, then just dumped. Yeah, Christian, I think if they wins, it will be a good buy. It's breaking out. So if you think this is going to break out, buy some. And this is not just, this is this floor break as well. I like this. Above here, I'll be bullish. I don't have any pirate chain, no. People that are still watching, do hit that like button. We were only at 20 likes. We got to, I think, how many likes did we get? We got 38 last time. Let's see if we can push for 30, guys. So that's KDA. I'm not going to buy KDA now. Again, if you follow my trading strategy, we look to buy pullbacks. This pullback would have been amazing entry, 618 pump. Now you'd want $2 to break. So again, trading is about risk to reward. Your reward is potentially 8%, 9%, but your stop loss is 11%, not something I like. If it breaks back above, I'm happy to buy it. what did I say? VeChain. Yeah, let me have a look at VeChain. Yeah, VeChain is pumping. That were just a one-to-one trade setups that I share. I could potentially share with you another setup on VeChain. Something like this. Into this 50% 618 zone. Should not get back below there. Target here. Better than one-to-one. I mean, first target there. If it breaks out, another trade setup on this. We can review this later on. That will be another trade setup. OG of shitcoins. So that's my VeChain thoughts. Let's have a look at privacy coins. I need to add privacy coins to my list. I don't think I have got XMR. XMR is looking good. Like I said, every coin is breaking out. Don't go all in every coin. Just buy 2 or 3 if you're in profit. You know, the trade strategy I talk about is like buy 2 or 3. If they make you money, then buy another one. Don't go all in at once. But you can start putting some money into, and I've shared with you a couple. Like I quite like one. And that's probably my favorite setup at the moment. Target here and there. It's got fundamental news as well. Yeah, thanks guys. Yeah, do smash the like button. Appreciate the support, guys. So XMR, yeah, I like XMR. Let me have a look at Zcash. So Zcash is one I was fundamentally so bullish on Zcash. It just didn't pump. It just didn't do anything for me. It rallied up, but just chopped. I thought it was going to be a sustained move. And yeah, compared to some other coins, Zcash just didn't make me money. It was very annoying. Yeah, it was very annoying. So Zcash, similar setup. I probably prefer, I mean, this looks good as well. Just treat it like level to level. Like it's breaking out one level. I think it should be coming into these zones, this resistance. So there's room to trade this. Who requested VeChain? I like it. Not VeChain, Zcash. Maybe Zcash is a buy. I like Zcash. AAR. What is that? I don't know what that coin is. C90, C98. I traded C98 for the pump when it launched. I rode C98. Yeah, I got 300% on this. I love these breakouts, you know. Well, not 300, I think 100 something. What, I don't know fundamentally, but trading wise, I'm bullish. I'll look at QNT next. We can do some fundamental research. Am I muted? Hello? No, I'm not muted. I've just checked on my other screen. C98, similar type setup. I think it might be your problem, UPV. Everyone else can hear me. It's not above, it's just below resistance, so I probably wouldn't buy C98. Again, just check news. So QNT, I don't know what the news is. So one thing I do is, right, I follow people that knows news. There's a Marjorie Crypto Mom, I think some of you know her from, she comes on to the live stream, she's part of my group, and she just told me there's lots of bullish news on QNT. That's why I bought QNT, and I've been buying QNTs because of that. So I like to trade news. So QNT has got some bullish news, but I don't know what the news is. So I've been buying QNT since here, and that was my last entry, and I'm still holding half in QNT. And news wise, I don't really know. QNT, let's pump QNT. Oh, by the way, do you guys know the moon? The moon, Carl's just tweeted that Bitcoin is going to 48k in 2 weeks. I think the top is in. I'll do link in a second. The top might be in, guys. This guy yesterday said Bitcoin could go to 10k, and now he's saying 48k. The top is in, guys. Bitcoin top is in. Shall I do breaking news? Those guys give crypto a bad name. Oh, BitBoy is the worst. But yeah, I love QNT. What other coin? What's long-term targets for QNT? I mean, long-term, I would say as long as it holds above 100, you can see what my stop is. I'm probably going to hold some of my QNT for these highs. Why is my views less? I don't know. So I have, I'm not a marketing guy like I don't know. So one of the things I did speak to a marketer, they said, I need to show my face. A lot of the biggest YouTubers show face, and I'm not really a very social guy. I don't know, maybe I'll show my face and do crypto. I've got nothing to hide, but I just like to keep my personal stuff. I don't like showing off cars and how much money I'm making. Maybe I don't know. I'm not really that type of guy, but maybe I'll do it in the future. I mean, that's the marketing guy said, and said about like thumbnails and creating content. They run ads. I don't run any ads. I just create content like I want. I tried doing like viral stuff, but I'm not very good at doing that. So I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I enjoy like I'd probably like a bit more subscribers, because I've stopped doing YouTube videos because I don't get views, but it is what it is. Yeah, that could be a point. Yeah, I could look to do that. Yeah, I don't really care. I mean, I'm happy that I get fewer. I do want to improve it, because I'm a bit weird. Like when I get obsessed with something, I have to do it. So it's like how I got obsessed with Bitcoin in 2017, and I've been able to make this my life. And same with YouTube. I sort of see it as a challenge now, that why can't I do it? And I'd want to grow it in that way. So maybe in the future, I might try and grow my YouTube more like as a challenge and marketing, and like challenging my confidence, like going out of your comfort zone. But I do, that could be a thing. I got obsessed with crypto trading 2018. I managed to go full-time crypto. So it's been sort of life changing, and I mean, I'd say I've had a comfortable wealth. I wouldn't say life changing wealth, like buying a couple of properties. This rally, I've played it really well. But yeah, that could be maybe next time. I do want to enjoy my holidays, but maybe in the future I will. But yeah, I'm not really fame. And what I definitely won't do is what those guys did, like dumping on people. Do you guys know what is that coin that the moon cow pumped? Castor. I mean, that's how he made money. He was living with his mom. I mean, I know people that know the moon cow, and he never even shared anything, and then he literally dumped this, and since I think February or March or April, he's been started posting in Dubai and stuff. But I mean, he literally rinsed people. I know someone that lost a lot of money on this. He basically just started dumping it. Yeah, the Castor scam, that was horrible. So what the moon cow did there is bad. Other guys are okay. I don't know Sammy Loyal. I know the moon cow. I know someone know of him, and yeah, he didn't have that much money. He made some, like YouTube. You don't make any money. Even from my group, you make less than $1,000. So he was just living off it, and then he did Castor, and he made like I think 2 million from the Castor scam, and yeah, nothing's happened to him, and he's just since then he's just been doing all this stuff. It was horrible what he did with Castor, and I feel really bad for the people that fall for it. And that's one thing I say. I never say like join my group, you'll be a millionaire. I always say protect your wealth. Even I'm promoting like this exchange, they've paid me, I still say don't put more than a couple of grand in. Put even this exchange, I say like don't put 10-100 grand in, because I'll get a percentage if you use them, but you can't trust Binance. You shouldn't even trust Coinbase. You shouldn't trust anyone. You shouldn't trust anyone online, and your money should be your priority. So yeah, and yeah, he basically got his followers to buy this, and he pre-bought it, and I think his entry was less than a penny. And then you can imagine how much he made. And he didn't get paid from Castor, but they basically gave him, I don't know, crazy amounts of tokens. And as soon as it launched, he just started dumping. And since then, like I said, February, one of my friend, he knows him from Dubai. And since then, he's just been, yeah, it's horrible what they did. And please don't fall for scams and stuff. Like even one, in a way, you could say my following is only 20 people, maybe, I don't know, 100, 200 people that follow me. You could say I'm sharing this and you're buying, but I'm being honest that, yeah, I've bought it. But I don't know if you guys have, some of you guys have a lot of money, I suppose. There's one guy in my group, he trades like more money than me. So I shouldn't underestimate who's watching. You guys could be trading 6-7 figures, who knows? But yeah, pump one for me. I'm not going to dump on you, pump one. Right, I've been talking for over an hour now. Any other coins, guys? I'll look at maybe 2 or 3 more, then I'll shoot off. Has PYR moved? PYR is not moving. PYR starts breaking below, don't hold this. I wanted to buy a PYR breakout here. I still will buy it. I really like PYR. I think PYR is going to break out. Cardano, yeah, I can have a look at Cardano. Hash Shiny, I mean, I don't even like that name. Cardano, yeah, I wouldn't buy it here. I still think Cardano just chops. I mean, I literally just did this. Buy support, sell resistance. And otherwise it just chops here. Looks rare, yeah, let me have a look rare. Yeah, I wouldn't buy it. Trend change above, let's say 50 cent cleanly, we can buy some. Looks rare, yeah, I like looks rare. I said last live stream I want to buy looks rare. Is looks rare on Binance, isn't it? Isn't LuxRare on Binance? I thought LuxRare was on Binance. That is strange. I've not heard about them. I could look into it. Hash Shiny. We can have a look together, mate. I don't know about this. I have more conviction on my trades, Rune and One. But this is not bad. This is in a way a setup. It's holding 4 RMA. It's trying to give you green candles. So it's what we like to see. You could expect a move, let's say from the 50%. Should not get back below there. It's just a short-term trade, and the reason why I like LuxRare is fundamentally I like it. I don't know too much about it. I can't comment on stuff that I don't really know. Okay, guys, any last coins? I'll look at probably 1 or 2 and then we'll round up. Okay, so I'll start rounding up then, guys. Thank you all for watching. We'll do next live stream Sunday. We do a Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. UK time, and then I try and do a midweek one when I'm free or when something interesting is happening. I've not done Link, have I? I need to finish off with Link. Neo, is Neo still around? But Neo's dead. I don't know nothing about it. I think this project is dead. But again, people talk about does trading work? Look at this. What is happening at support? Support is being held and being bought up. People need to remember that. Trading wise, I like it. I'd expect it to is breaking this resistance and using our trading strategy. The trend is up, holding support. You'd expect it to move into the $12 level. But let me do Chainlink. So Link fundamentally, right? I tweeted. Now I think that's a really good tweet. Where is it gone? I said, yeah, you might not like Link, but most of your favorite coin probably uses Link. And I think that's a really good tweet, and it's true. Like lots of cryptos that use Chainlink oracles for data is pretty amazing. So I like Link. One of the reasons why I haven't been buying or talking about it is, Link, I made my first Link video. PLSD, I can have a look at PLSD before I go. I've not heard, what is PLSD, by the way? I made my first YouTube video on Link when Link was less than $1, and it's been wildly profitable for me. And I bought this, not this dump, I bought this dump as well in here with Bitcoin March 2020. Yeah, it was crazy. But anyways, Chainlink, the issue with them is their team are still selling Chainlink. They don't have a value accrual with Chainlink. It's kind of similar to XRP in a way that you can use the Ripple protocol without XRP, and you can still do the same with Link, where you can use the Chainlink oracles without using Link. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's my understanding of it. People fundamentally a lot smarter than me has told me that. And the other issue with Chainlink is there's no Link staking. So if Link staking comes in, that will be good. I'll be happy for it, and I'll be excited to get in and all that stuff. But for now, I'm not that those are the two things that stops me. So Chainlink staking, when will it come? That will be useful. And then Chainlink team, selling links still. I think they've stopped selling as much as they do. Someone sent me a chart saying that they've stopped it, but again, I've not got any concrete proof. And the third one is value accrual. So those are three things that Chainlink needs. If they can get that, I expect Link to be in the top 10, a lot higher than where it is. So fundamentally, I really like it. I understand the protocol, Oracle, how it works, how it connects data. So that's one thing. And then hodling wise, I don't hodl any, and trading wise, I could have bought this. I haven't bought it. Broke out above, trend change, buy here, rallying, amazing, make money. But what's the date, Christian? I don't think there's a date. Once we know a date, then I'm gonna be the first buyer. But yeah, that's my quick thoughts on Chainlink. PLSD, I've not heard about it. Pulse Dogecoin. I think I shared this trade that I'm gonna buy a breakout in this. Yeah, send it. Crypto Life is asking me about this as well, so maybe I need to look at this. Okay guys, I'm gonna just round up BTC and then we'll finish off the live stream. Give me 2 seconds. Yeah, it is a meme coin. I don't think there is any confirmation, mate. If there is any confirmation, let me know. I'll be happy to buy. So let's finish off with BTC. What happened to PYR and one and the 3 trades arm long? It's not done anything since the live stream. That was a degen 1 minute time frame trade. It's not done much. One is pumping. People that are looking for any altcoins, One and Rune are 3 coins that I like. Rune has been beautiful. Beautiful moving Rune. Okay, so let me finish off with Bitcoin. This is a really beautiful move in Bitcoin. What we need to see is that it holds above here. If it starts breaking below these support levels, 23, 22K, I will start getting worried. But for now, it's all looking great. Nothing to worry about. I'm long altcoins. You've seen me trade 3-4 altcoins. QNT, there's lots more other coins I've longed. Aave, and PYR, ENJ. There's so many altcoins that I like. I've shared with you a couple of live trade setups as well. Unify is another one that few our group members are pumping. You can look at Unify. This morning we I've not shared Unify here, but there's lots of coins that I'm trading. What we need to see is Bitcoin now hold above 23, 24K, get daily closes above, and hopefully we'll push into 25K. I'm gonna be bullish Bitcoin as long as this holds. So I said daily close above, I'll be bullish Bitcoin. That was my post 2 weeks ago. This is my new post that played out perfectly. Let me turn that into green, like light green. This one we don't know what's happened. Yeah, check out Rune, mate. Check out Rune. Fundamentally, I think Thor chain is like cross chain. I think it's a good crypto. Do your own research as well. And yeah, I'll be expecting Bitcoin to move into that 25K. So that's what I'm looking at. I really don't want Bitcoin to start trend changing below 23, 22 and a half. If it starts trending below there, I'll be worried. In my opinion, I will do a live stream next week, Thursday. I've just put that I'm live streaming every Sunday, just to let you guys know. Every Sunday we do Crypto for Degens live stream. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button, like and all that good stuff. I try and do a midweek live stream as well. Next week Thursday is the FOMC, so I'll be doing an FOMC live. That's when the US interest rate news is going to go ahead, and that's going to have a huge impact. What my dream scenario would be, and I always end with the predictions, and as always, I don't trade my predictions, I trade my trade strategy. So Rune, One, Bitcoin longs, all that good stuff. Root as well, we shared a long in Root. I follow my trade strategy. That's what makes me money. My predictions don't make me money. Anyone can make predictions. There's 20, 30, 40 people who ever watched. You all have predictions. Predictions don't make us money. Write that on your notebook, trading journal, all that good stuff. But what I would be looking for, if I had to give you my prediction, I would expect Bitcoin, as long as it's holding above here, rally up 24, 25K, and then it depends on that news event. And when that news event happens in a couple of weeks time, if it's bearish, we could maybe get a sell-off. If it's bullish, pump it to 30k. So I'll leave you guys with that. And I've also shared with you some trades. Let me know how things goes. Follow me on Twitter. Check out my Telegram group, Rocko Trading Group, all that good stuff. And if you enjoy this type of content, support us by joining the group. I'll leave the links below. You can trial us for less than $30. This live stream is sponsored by Delta Exchange. You can sign up to show them some love. They sponsor it to make it all free. And finally, thank you all for watching. Really appreciate you guys just watching. Just hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything. You can help us out with those things. But if you just want to help us, it's completely free. Hit that like button. And yes, I'll see you guys Sunday. Take care, guys, and have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.